Hello guys, before this video starts, I just want to say that this video is finally taking place in the daytime. Hooray! But there are scary secrets lurking around in this video. And if you find one of them, you're a legend. Anyways, let's get into it. Also, you may find something familiar in this scenario, so if you find something familiar, comment it out. Anyways, let's do this, and enjoy watching.
Transmitted at the request of the United States government and the National Aeronautics and Space Administration. This is not a test. To repeat, this is not a test. Our world is coming to a burning. The stars are coming for you. At 4:06 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, NASA just discovered that Proxima Centauri is making a direct collision course with the Sun. If Proxima Centauri collide with the Sun, a massive explosion will be happening in the solar system, destroying the two stars. And it will cause all the planets, including ours, will be destroyed. There is no way we can stop Proxima Centauri. There is no way we can stop this situation. Go into panic mode. If you are a whole person, pray to your goddesses. It is not just the end of the world, it is the end of the solar system. May God be with us all. No national anthem for you. Your puny star is ours.
And now, before this video ends, you might be wondering, why is there evil messages in this logo? Is the Proxima Centauri system evil? Well, before you ask, no, the Proxima Centauri system is not evil. Second of all, what you are seeing... Wait, oh God.